咁身為一個即係 property investor 同埋 developer 啦，咁我自己都係好 advocate architecture、design 同埋 culture 嘅。咁我覺得first of all 而家係好 excited that 即係呢個唔同嘅業界同埋the fact that 即係個 public 係 engaged in 呢個 discussion of 即係 West Kowloon Cultural District 呢個 project。喺呢個 interview 都會 comment 嘅，即係話即係唔係淨係個 hardware，就包括個 program 入邊發生咩事，個 content 係個 it's the heart is not the body。咁呢個好多人都講緊，咁我諗係最緊要就係話入邊發生嘅嘢咧，要係 reflect 我哋個 identity 啦，同埋 reflect 香港 as part of 成個第日珠三角嗰個 Great Metropolis。咁我諗呢個好緊要。咁呢個同即係同深圳或者係廣東省個合作。